Ever wondered if you can simply waltz into an EverBank branch and plop down a wad of cash? Let's dive into that. EverBank overview. EverBank, a digital-first bank, has been gaining popularity for its online services and competitive rates. But when it comes to the traditional act of depositing cash, does it fit the bill? Cash deposits, a necessity. While digital payments are becoming the norm, there are still instances when cash is the only viable option. Whether it's a quick cash advance or a small business transaction, having the ability to deposit cash can be crucial. The EverBank dilemma. Branch limitations. EverBank, unlike traditional brick-and-mortar banks, has a limited physical presence. This means fewer branches where you can physically deposit cash. ATM restrictions. While EverBank ATMs might exist, they often have limitations on the amount of cash you can deposit. This can be inconvenient, especially for larger sums. Alternative solutions. Mobile check deposit. EverBank offers mobile check deposit, a convenient way to deposit checks without visiting a branch. Simply take a picture of the check with your smartphone and upload it to the EverBank app. Peer-to-peer transfers. For smaller amounts, consider using peer-to-peer payment services like Venmo or Zelle. These apps allow you to transfer money directly to your EverBank account. Partner banks. In some cases, EverBank may have partnerships with other banks. These partnerships might allow you to deposit cash at a partner bank's ATM or branch. Limited cash deposit options. While EverBank offers convenient digital banking services, its options for cash deposits are limited. Consider alternatives. If cash deposits are essential to your financial routine, you might want to explore other banking options that offer more flexibility in this regard. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the question, does EverBank accept cash deposits? The short answer is, generally, no. While there might be some exceptions or workarounds, it's not a primary feature of their service. Final thought, if cash deposits are a crucial part of your financial life, it's worth considering other banking options that offer more traditional services. Subscription. Subscribe to our channel for more banking tips and reviews. Comments. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or experiences with EverBank or other banks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.